Hello, welcome to the regular expressions tutorial. In this tutorial we are gonna talk about what is regex or regular expression, whatever you like to tell, and how we are gonna use it. And I promise I will talk about the usage of regex. To practice regex, I am using a beautiful online tool in regexer.com website. Open your favorite browser and type regexr.com. Here you can write any content in the text section and try your regular expression. Let's start with matching text and numbers. Delete the existing text and the expression in regexer. Then I will type some strings and numbers in text section. In regex, dot represent any character. If I type dot in expression section, it will match to each character, and you can see it as it is highlighted in the text section. Same way you can type a word and see how it matches with the content. But keep in mind, it is case sensitive. Type few dots after a word and see that how dot represents characters, spaces, numbers and everything. Instead of typing few dots, we can use quantifiers, which is star for plus. Star is for 0 or more. And plus is for 1 or more. We can use some special notations to represent different categories in the content. As an example, \w represent an alphanumeric character. \d represents a number. If you write \w and \d together, it tries to find a match of character proceed with a number. Check the screen and understand. To show you the difference between star and dot, I will add few more text to the content. I will add ABC and ABC123. Then I will add few dots for any character and \d to represent a number. If you look carefully it will select only ABC1, which is the pattern of a character preceded by a number, but not text only ABC. But if you put star after \d, it starts selecting both ABC and ABC1, since star means 0 or more. So first ABC is selected considering 0 digits. If you change star to plus, only ABC1 is selected since at least 1 digit is mandatory when you use plus. Now let's see how we can match a specific set of characters. For that, we have to use square brackets. You can open square brackets and type the characters you like to match. As an example I will write OK within square brackets. Then it will match all the O and K characters. But you do not need to write O character 2 times since it matches all the O character when you include it once. Let's add more characters and check. Similarly, you can add numbers also. And if you need to match 2 adjacent characters, you can use 2 square bracket pairs. There are some other options too. We will talk about those options later in this tutorial. So I add 2 square bracket pairs, and in first one I will include UVW and in the second one I will add ERS. Then you can see, it will match two adjacent chars that represents ones from first pair and second char from second pair. Excluding characters is also really important in regex, and it is easy to do. You can use caret symbol to negate your expression. In this case, you can put caret symbol at the beginning of the square bracket. See, it will select all the characters other than what you have within the brackets. You can add numbers to the same bracket if you need to exclude numbers too. Now let's see how we can match a character range or number range. For that you can use square bracket and dash to define the range. As an example, A-Z for character range and 0-9 for number range. If you type 04, it will select numbers from 0 to 4. If you type A-P, it selects characters from A to P including P. Try different range and what is matching. When you select A-C, it will match only A, B or C characters. It is very easy to exclude a character range using caret operator. If you put caret operator before a range, it will match all the characters that not available in that range. Next thing is matching repetitions. I am going to write a new content for that. If you type A, it will select all the A characters. But if you need to match something where A repeat multiple times, you can use angular brackets to represent the repetition. I will type 2 in angular brackets. So it will match all the places where 2 A characters are available. What if I need to match a string with 3 A characters preceding 2 B characters? Okay, let's do it. Try other possibilities and play. Another special match is repeating a specific character set again and again. So there we can define the specific character set within parentheses, and we can use angular brackets with a value to repeat it. See the example. Okay, to learn next pattern, let's write the regular expression first. Before that, our previous pattern was A angular brackets, 2. Let's start typing letter A in content. You can see each 2 letters matching with the pattern. You can see each second letter will create a matching group. Let's change it to 2, 5. That should match with number of characters between 2 and 5, including 2 and 5. So you can see for the first time it selects when you have 2 characters. Then it highlights until it become more than 5. So it doesn't select 6th character. But again start to select when it is 7 characters and keep highlighted until 10 characters. Now you can modify the pattern adding B character. Let's say 3 to 5 times. And type 6 B characters in the content. It will match with all the patterns from 2A and 3B characters to 5A and 5B characters. Another important quantifier is optional operator, which is the question mark. It represents 0 or 1 of the preceding character. Let's type AB and AC and ABC in the content. Then type the pattern as A. It will match all A characters. Then type B. It will match all the adjacent AB characters. Then type C. It will match as ABC. Now type question mark in between B and C, which means there can be 0 or 1 B characters. So pattern will match ABC and AC also, since B character is optional. Similarly, if you type question mark after C character, it will match with AB and ABC, since C is optional. So, I plan to create another video since this is already very long. So next tutorial we can discuss about more patterns, and I am going to talk about how we use regular expressions in web scraping and other usages. Please subscribe, like and share this channel if you still didn't do it to get next videos. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.